Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Cake with Boots and Jeans Riders, as you all know. Today we got some sad news. Sad news. One of our really good friends passed away. We got a phone call today with that news. So of course you all know we left California and went up through the northern states and was halfway across America heading down to Little Rock. Had just left South Dakota, heading to Iowa when that phone call came through saying that a good friend of ours, who's also like a brother to us, has passed away. Our destination was to Little Rock, Arkansas. But now that plan has changed because we had to turn around and go back to California to be with the family. In the meantime, we are currently in Nebraska. And we was coming from dinner, went check on the bikes, and JetBlue looked kind of off. So I went close to it and looked at it and noticed that Bubbles was off. Look underneath, and my trailer hitch is broken. But we're in Nebraska, and we know some people in Nebraska, and they're on their way to come and pick up Bubbles so we can continue on to California without it. Stevie Foe and Mrs. Stevie Foe is coming to pick it up. So we are so grateful for them. They also have a YouTube channel. So check them out on YouTube. They have great content there too. So that's what we're doing now. We're up waiting for them to come. And once we finish doing what we're doing in California, we'll head back to Nebraska, pick up Bubbles, and continue on to whatever it was we had planned. All right. Until then, we'll catch you guys on the road. I'm out. Peace.